The Pfaff sewing machines are known for what is called their IDT. That is a fancy word for dual feed or a walking foot. It's kind of all similar, and this is a part that actually is attached to your machine at all times and can be attached and brought down just by pulling down on the lever. It is almost like having your own set of feed dogs on the top part of your fabric. So if you ever have edges that when you sew and they don't line up, maybe one edge travels a little faster than the other, by having the IDT engaged, you're going to have nice even stitching on all fabrics. Now let me show you a trick about this. Number one, most of the stitches, well, all the stitches will tell you when to use the IDT and when not to. But here's how you can tell which foot is to be used with the IDT. So on the back of a foot, there is an opening. If there's a gap, that means that there is room for this foot or this lever to be pulled down. If you try to sew without this being engaged, the IDT engaged, you will find you do not get good stitching at all. Trust me, I've tried it. So by making sure that that is always engaged with a foot that needs it. So vice versa, or just to give you an idea, so see this foot, this is your 2A foot. We use this a lot with your decorative stitches. This foot does not have that opening. So just make sure that you're not trying to put this foot on with the dual feed engaged. Number one, it's not easy to put on in the first place. So just pull straight down, away from you, and then change your feet out, and everything will work super smooth.